What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle, and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Come on and join the fun.
Be honest in yourself, don't you never pretend. Beat the odds, do numbers, and remain humble.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another Dollar Tree DIY project. Today I'm going to show you two different ways to make a diaper cake for a baby shower. This is my first baby shower DIY on this channel. So I have some items here from Dollar Tree my mom picked up. I might let the kids pick some stuff out to add to it for their new little cousin that'll be here in a few weeks. I have a new niece coming and I'm so excited. So let's get started with this first diaper cake. These diapers are from Dollar Tree. So the person that you're giving this diaper cake to, they can choose to use or not to use the diapers that come along with the diaper cake. Some people may donate them, but it's completely up to that person. I personally used Pampers Swaddlers with my two kids, but just for the sake of a Dollar Tree project, y'all know I love Dollar Tree DIY projects. I wanted to make this cake a Dollar Tree project. For the next cake, they are the same diapers. The accessories for that cake came from Amazon. We are going to take our diapers and begin to roll them up. Some people like to layer their diaper cakes like this and to go all the way around, but I'm not going to do that. And these are size 1 diapers. You get 44 diapers for $6. The part that says back is going to be rolled in the inside of the diaper. So take the flat piece, the part that opens is where you're going to start the roll, and simply do it just like this. Where you can find the envelopes and the packaging tape and things like that. They have this big pack of rubber bands. So go ahead and grab a rubber band, and you can tie it twice just to hold this one in place. Or you can also just roll and stop. And once you have two together, the open pieces you put towards each other. And simply just place the rubber band and it'll hold them in place. Since we have a third one done, we're going to go ahead and add that in. I got the cake tray for the smaller diaper cake, and I got the serving tray for the bigger cake, okay? So I usually put between 4 and 6 diapers in one rubber band. And then I go from there. Okay. So this has 6, and that's done, okay? And you just keep going until you fill up your tray. It's a very quick project. I'm so glad I'm having a niece, y'all, because let me tell you, I had baby fever a couple years back, before I touched 30, and I'm like, this ain't gonna work. I can't have no more kids. So I'm glad that one of my siblings is having another baby, because we needed a new baby in the family. You know, just every few years, somebody got to have a baby, and it wasn't gonna be me. Okay. Alright, so far we have 12 diapers on our cake. I'm going to continue rolling these up, and I'll be right back when we have the diapers all together. Alright, sweeties, so I have my diapers on my cake dish, and as you can see, I have 3 diapers here. You just kind of put them where you see fit, and you know how many diapers you would need to add. So it looks like I need to add one more here, and just slide it into one of the rubber bands. So let's just go right there. And I need one here. And then we'll be done with our diapers for this cake. As far as your rubber bands, you want them to kind of line up the same level going around your cake. Now, this is why I like these Dollar Tree rubber bands, because they're durable. And what we're going to do is take one of the larger ones and combine all of our diapers together and line it up with the rubber bands that's already on those diapers. use one more diaper there. Once you create the cake, you'll see where you need to add more diapers at. Okay. Now that that's done, you can use ribbon, you can purchase some border. Now, I don't think my mom got this from Dollar Tree, this border, but they do have border at Dollar Tree, which I purchased for the other cake. So it'll be in the learning section, okay, for like the teacher. I'm not going to use any hot glue for this project, only tape. So for the border, I'm going to go ahead and start to wrap it around my cake and just tape each border together. And maybe I should do it on the inside. I will do it on the inside so you can't see it. If you want to somehow stick your diapers to the bottom of your tray, you can. I'm not going to do that. This is how it looks. I think I want to do it like this. So let's take our border off. I think I want to put some ribbon first and then my border, just to add some more decoration to the cake. Let's do it like that. Let's see if we can slide our border back on without messing with our ribbon. For just another layer. I like that a lot better. Okay. Now what we can do, we can also add some bling. Do I want to add some bling? I don't think I want to add any bling as of right now. But y'all know I always go back and do some more stuff. So we have a bottle. We have some soap. This is a part where you got to kind of play with it and work it out the way you want it to look. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back with you guys. All right, sweeties, I got the little gifts on top of the cake. I used some of this Scotch double-sided tape to stick the bottle and the soap to the diapers. I was able to shimmy the cardboard into the diapers, like between the diapers for the tea in the ring and for the binkies. I rolled up the clothes, and then I used double-sided tape to attach the bunny to the cardboard. Now I do think I'm going to put some diamond wrap around the bottom of the cake, just to add a nice little touch to it. At Dollar Tree, they have the 2 basket bags for $1.25. So I'm going to go ahead and put this cake inside of the bag. Okay, I'm going to add this ribbon as well. All right, sweeties, here's diaper cake number 1. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let's move on to diaper cake number 2. Now it's time for our second diaper cake. You roll the diapers the same exact way as I showed you at the beginning of the video. You combine them into one big rubber band, just like this. So I already have these diapers rolled up and ready. So here's my first layer. This is a tier cake. My second layer. My third. And I have 4 rolls on my fourth. Again, make sure your rubber bands are lined up. We're going to do this cake a little bit different. The back side, the side that says back and has the number on it, the size of the diaper, goes against the other diapers. And what you want to do is just layer them, just like so, all the way around your cake. It gives it more of a clean look. For this tier cake, I needed 2 packs of the $6 diapers. And for the first cake, you're going to need 1 pack of diapers. Once you get back to the front, just tuck your last diaper under the first one. So again, the border at Dollar Tree you can find in the learning section. And it comes like this. just like what a teacher would put on our border at the school. And we're going to do this the same exact way we did our first cake. I have some paper clips here that I'm going to use to hold my border in place until I can get my other little decoration on there. You can use your hot glue if you need to. Okay. So 3 borders is just about perfect. I'm kind of pulling my border a little tight so I can really push against those diapers. Okay, so we have our first border on, and don't mind the paper clips, y'all. Now let's get our, I want to turn y'all to the back real quick. Let's get our second layer going. Attach 3 more borders together for my second tier. Two borders. Okay. Third tier is done. For this top, I got this baby girl cake topper that I'm going to put in, and then I'm going to put, once I put the cake topper in, I'm going to put the roses only at the top tier to cover it up. Okay, stick it in there just like that, and we'll add our roses around the top tier. So I finished putting my flowers into the top tier. I just kind of stuck them in there. Here's the back. I put the greenery in the back because I didn't get enough flowers, but I have a plan. I'm gonna put this hair bow from Dollar Tree right where those leaves are. I got this banner that says Shine, but her name starts with an N, so I'm only going to use the N from this banner that I purchased at Dollar Tree, and I can save the other letters for something different. So what I'm going to do is just stick this N right into my diapers, and then I can put some double-sided tape there to hold it in place. Now these bows I got off Amazon. I think it's like 44 bows. They have the soft clips on the back, so I'll post the link in the description box down below. But these bows, I think I'm just going to start to clip onto my border. I want to try to get all the pinks and purples in the front, and then I'll do like the reds, greens, blues in the back. And by me clipping on these bows, I can also use them to hold my border in place. So hold the border, remove the paper clip. I'm going to go ahead and finish putting all my bows on, and I'll be right back when it's done, guys. Alright, sweeties, here's my finished diaper cake. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I put the more colorful bows on the back because I wanted all my pinks and purples and my white and cream up front to match the cake. Subscribe, click the bell. Give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, make sure you share, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. The sweetest.
Be honest in yourself, don't you never pretend. Beat odds, do numbers, and remain humble.